Good Friday, everyone. I hope you've had a wonderful week and that you're ready for a good weekend ahead. Our USA Mortgage level of concern for our Friday level 2, which makes it a meteorologist mark weather alert day for the risk for some severe thunderstorms. Premier Generators shows us what those risks may be. It's a low-end tornado risk, very low-end. This is not an environment where you typically see many tornadoes, but damaging straight-line winds and flash flooding are certainly possible. Step outside and you'll know what I mean. It is so humid. There is plenty of moisture to work with to produce flash flooding. And sometimes these summer-like storms can produce what we call wet microbursts, which is that wet, windy time that comes with some of these storms that can actually become damaging. So we want to be on the lookout for that too. Hail risk is also low, so we're not too incredibly worried about that. It's not zero, but it's pretty darn low. So we'll be monitoring that today. That's cluster of thunderstorms, that complex of storms that I talked about, has developed as expected and is moving into Arkansas as I record this. It will make its way toward our area as we go through the day. We'll probably lose steam as it's coming through West Tennessee. However, the energy left over from that line, outflow boundaries, etc., will arrive here just in time for the heat of the afternoon, and that should be more than enough, especially combined with our topography, to kick off several showers and thunderstorms across our region, and some of those could be severe. Looking at our 5-day forecast, 70% chance today, 90% Saturday, 70% Sunday. So I had to bump up Sunday's rain chances a bit, but I got to lower Tuesday's rain chances a bit. So we went from 50 to 70 on Sunday and from 70 to 50 on Tuesday. So Monday and Tuesday have trended just a little bit drier. I don't think we're going to be completely dry, but they have trended a little bit drier. So down to 50-50 shots for showers and thunderstorms. Warm and humid each and every day. So be prepared for that summer-like air mass to continue. And that bodes terribly with the hay weather forecast. Bad all the way through Tuesday. I will say this, if the forecast can continue to trend a bit drier for Tuesday, we might be able, excuse me, to upgrade that to fair. But elevated humidity levels, elevated rain chances just do not make for a good hay weather forecast. Look at our extended threats, just looking at this Friday, today, and tomorrow. And next week is very unsettled, but nothing is just jumping out at us just yet for a threat to highlight, but stay tuned. On the stand weather history brought to us by Bramble Travel, 1975, a tornado reportedly spinning backwards or clockwise was sighted near Alva, Oklahoma. We think that about 98% of all tornadoes spin counterclockwise like they're supposed to, but about 2% probably spin a little bit backwards. 2002, a near-Earth asteroid estimated 10 meters diameter explodes over the Mediterranean Sea between Greece and Libya. Resulting explosion estimated to have a force of 26 kilotons, which, folks, is more powerful than the Nagasaki atomic bomb. So I bet that rattled a few windows. You folks have a wonderful Friday and keep looking up. As you all know, I'll post updates on the app and the site as needed as we go through the day. You just keep it right here. Meteorologist Mark.